Hello everyone. In my previous video, I started chapter 2, which is sectors of the Indian economy. Already I have explained you what is primary, what is tertiary and secondary sector. And I told you the difference in the activities done in these sectors. Primary sector include all those activities in which we utilize or use the natural resources directly, and product is also natural one. And the services or the activities that we include in primary sector, these are farming, poultry farming, forestry, animal husbandry, beekeeping, etc. So product is grown here with the help of the natural factor. Okay, suppose farmers grow various types of cereals and crops. They grow it with the help of water, soil, temperature, climate, etc. These all they get from the nature and use this directly, and the product that we get from and that fulfills our dietary needs. Secondary sector includes all those products or manufacturing, through manufacturing, and the product that we have got from primary sector is being used here as the input, and the outcome or the output that we get from secondary sector is completely new. It can't be called natural products, because and these are called man-made products, and the work or manufacturing processes have been done in industries, and industries might be small one or bigger one, or the work may be done from home also. So secondary sector is also known as industrial sector, because all the production activities are carried here, are carried out with the help of the product that we have got from nature or from primary sector and from other. Okay. Indirectly we use the product of primary sector with the help of machine and human skill. We convert or give it a new shape, and in this way the secondary sector carries out its production activities. Textile industries, automobile industries, sugar mill, these are the industries which we can include, or all types of manufacturing activities can be included in secondary sector. Third type of activities which are kept in tertiary sector, or tertiary sector is also known as service sector, because in this sector no product is made, products are not made, but services are provided, and these services helps in the production activities done by primary sector, secondary sector, or everywhere, and these activities are very important or necessary. So what activities and what services are included or given by tertiary sector? These are transport, communication, education, banking, health, insurance, tourism, security, post office. Means all these services are needed by the people to raise their standard of living, and all these services are used by the activities done by primary and secondary sector, because these services helps them to continue with their production activity, to send their output to the market, or to carry them to their required destination. So these services are very much important. So that is why tertiary sector is also known as service sector, because these services are the aid. These services facilitate the functioning or work of the primary and secondary sector. Suppose crops have been grown on the field, but it has to be sent in the production in the industrial sector, or it has to be sent in the market to be sold to the consumers. So it will need the transport services, and that transport services is provided by the tertiary sector. And without transport, what will happen? The product will lie uselessly, and no cost will be returned, or no cost means no profit or no income will come back to the growers or the producers of those crops. Same way, if in secondary sector, if products have been made, fertilizers, chemicals, and these products are being used by the farmers to grow more on their same plot, and these products will reach to them through the transport, communication, and other services that they would need, and also to enhance skill in the person. They will go to the educational sector, they will go to the to keep their body fit and healthy, because health is also very important factor which raise the human's capability as well as the productivity and value in the market. So service sector is also very important, because without this other sectors can't carry out with their production activities. So in this way what we have seen, all three sectors, they work in coordination and they have to take the help of each other, and no one can say that I am complete and I can do all the activities myself. So they need, primary sector's product becomes the input of the secondary sector, means one sector's output becomes the input of the second sector, and second sector, secondary sector, the machine